Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to discuss two of these beautiful moisturizer from Plum. So I'm just gonna tell you which one you can get as per your need. Alright, so both of them smell really amazing, but there's a huge difference in the price. Basically, for the same price you're getting one product for 200 ml and this one is 400 ml. So should you really get it? Because the added advantage over here is only that it contains SPF. Now, if price is not a big factor for you, because I have used this only 3 to 4 times and I can feel that this has half of it is already over, and I do not want to keep going through moisturizers like that. I really want them to last at least a month or month and a half, because that's how long these moisturizers last for me. Like, all the standard moisturizers are 400 ml only. So what I wanted to talk about now, if price is not a big factor, or you do not apply a lot of moisturizer, or you do not get out of your house a lot, so you can definitely get this one very good. You need very minimal amount because you're just gonna sit at home, and then you can apply this because you're basically, if you're working from home or you're a homemaker. Now, coming on to this, now the fragrance is yummy. The fragrance is very good. It is very similar to Bath and Body Works, very comparable to them, and for that price, if you compare it to that price, I think you're getting a steal deal. But now, for girls who want to stay in the affordable range, you can definitely go ahead with this, but you're not getting SPF. So what you're gonna do with this is that you can pair it up with something like this, a body sunscreen spray. I know this is an added cost, I know all of that, but what you can definitely do is, this will last you way longer than this will, right? Because you need very little of this spray. This is an aerosol spray which is going to last you a very long time. This contains 100 ml of product, and you need like 5 ml or lesser than that for the whole body, because you get a lot of product in that much. So this one just covers your whole hand. So you can use something like this, 400 ml of this product with a sunscreen body spray, which will make your work do. So now, if the fragrance, if you keep away the fragrance, I think this one, if you keep away the SPF, then this one is a deal. So now you just need to include SPF somewhere, and I've given you a way better suggestion. When it comes to fragrances, now this one smells very sweet, like a dessert. Some may not like it. Like, I am okay-ish with it. I'm not a very big fan of it, but this one smells very fruity and very nice, very summery. That's why I like the fragrance of this more, and I might repurchase it. So here's your comparison video. Whichever you're going to go forward, both are brilliant and both are really good, and Plum has done a really good job with both of them. So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and whichever you would want me to compare next, let me know.